want. Tell me what you need. Show me what you got, there will never be peace when this funk pops. I show you motherfuckers how I get this shit done. Too many undercover fake niggas be running their tongue. Now I gotta pack my clip into my lyricist gun. Shoot your motherfuckers out of place. This is where hip-hop run. I'm a son to the shit. Now I was once a kid and now I'm gonna learn to spit the real shit into the people's ears. I'm the homeboy for friends, nothing never made it. School was a lie and hip-hop was its education. I'm falling in the dropping toxic t-shirt non-stop. I'm in the war back in somewhere finding lost in Vietnam. I'm dropping bombs on you motherfuckers, call me Japan. This is the lyrical murder. Murder politician times when the speed they lie. All they need is slaves to work the machines, believe and follow what they say. So I fuck that, rebellion to the day of my grave. Once you don't control your own mind, you suddenly turn fake. I told you, be your soul, don't become someone else. Because fuck heaven, we all going to hell. Face the truth, don't live a life ain't good for your health. Apply your own knowledge, don't buy any lies they sell.
SureBeats.com.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Show me what you got, there will never be peace when this funk pops. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Show me what you got, there will never be peace when this funk pops.
SureBeats.com.
Yo, ever since I came to the game, I wanted to be big, wanted to be more, wanted everything she want. Warnings on the wall, more people don't do hip-hop. Guess I gotta change now, fuck that, fuck you, fuck me. If you want, I ain't gotta be the one. Some trees all I want, murder your ass, put your picture on the board. Hip-hop is me, I'm the MC, I'm the motherfucking king. Now way back, got mad love for the homies and niggas rapping their heart. You wanna take it all, but you fall. Life is like a ball, no more force to hide against. Like the whites and native, it ain't history. It's the motherfucking truth that's been buried 6 feet deep. Like we, she's like we, all lost memories. Grandpa know we did the bomb, but when you were sick, you was listening to me. Told me that I'll be one day for education first. Now you're gonna guess I'll listen to your words, more like a curse. But if you break it up, it's learned like a promise. This promise I'm made to be broken, and I'm sorry, I do this for me. And I learn if it ain't enough said. Rest in peace, Arkansas.